we are going to do something when we are when we are going sure. So I'm going to go to school tomorrow morning. So I will go. So I should go. It's not.
I'm going to go on a trip Sunday. This Sunday.
It's good. Number one.
I'm going to visit India in summer.
So talk with your partner and I will write something. In the future. So first the subject, then the verb be in the present, and going plus verb. For example, I'm going to go to.
Because be going to and will they
So they have the same. They have the same meaning, but also they.
Because we can say the majority of people say that there is a difference between be going to and will. They say that be going to is more sure than will, but this is false.
It's false. It's false in USA. Like US people will say that will. It's more sure than going to. But I think in UK, in British,
There is a difference between.
there is no
Like they just trying to communicate it.
like if we are not
No,
like
but in USA there is no difference. In British English there is a difference. Going to is for sure thing, and will is not for sure. So.
varsity in the American, so we have
You're the teacher.
So here we are using the USA English, and at school, but we